how to see who follows you on Snapchat. So if you want to see who follows you on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Once you're here on the profile, now here you just need to simply go with my public profile, and here you will have your followers, right? So these are the persons who follow you on Snapchat. You will have the followers count. So unfortunately, we don't have an option to see who follows you on Snapchat, but we can have some idea. So if you go back and if you scroll down here, you will have my friends option, right? So you just need to simply go with my friends, and here you will have all of your friends. So these are the persons who follow you on Snapchat. Each and everyone follows you so that you are friends, right? So these are the persons who follows you on Snapchat, and you can also go with add friends option. Under add friends, here also you will have a lot of members that follows you on Snapchat. So the persons that you have here under the added me option are all your followers. So in this way you will have some idea about your followers, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.